what is it you're going to tell students about?
We were brushing our teeth. Remember the brushing teeth? First you grab a toothbrush and toothpaste, then put the toothpaste on the toothbrush, and then you brush your teeth with it, and then you rinse it off, and then you rinse your face off, and then dry the toothbrush, and then dry your face.
There, yeah.
That's how it gets.
That's how you do
right
it.
There.
Nice. That's great. You will help a lot of kids know how to brush their teeth.
Then can I hear the video?
Sure. All right. Say bye-bye to everybody. Good luck brushing your teeth.
Well, good luck watching that video.